Are you dreaming of building a new life in Canada? If so, there's a golden opportunity waiting for you in the heart of Northern Ontario, the beautiful and welcoming city of Timmins. Through Canada's newest immigration initiative, the Rural Community Immigration Pilot RCIP and the Francophone Community Immigration Pilot FCIP, you can now settle permanently in Canada by working in this dynamic region. Timmins has officially been selected as one of only 18 communities across Canada to participate in these special immigration pilots. This employer-driven program is designed to bring in skilled workers, support community development, and help employers meet growing labor demands. Unlike many traditional immigration routes, the RCIP-FCIP programs are employer-driven. This means that before applying for permanent residency, candidates must first receive a full-time, permanent job offer from a designated employer located within the Timmins region. Candidate eligibility requirement to qualify for the program, you'll need to meet the following criteria: a valid full-time, permanent job offer from a designated employer in Timmins, at least 1 year of relevant work experience within the last 3 years. Language proficiency requirements depend on the job level: TER 0 or 1, CLB 6 Tier 2 or 3, CLB 5 Tier 4 or 5, CLB for education credentials equivalent to a Canadian high school diploma or higher, sufficient funds to support yourself and any accompanying family members. For Francophone candidates applying through the FCIP stream, strong proficiency in French is a vital advantage. If you need assistance preparing your CV, cover letter, or an email template for employers, reach out to Happy Face, a support group ready to guide you through your application journey. What kind of jobs are eligible? Only employers in priority. Sectors can participate in the RCIP-FCIP, and only jobs in designated occupations are eligible for community recommendations. Let's look at some of the sectors and high-demand roles available. Key sectors: health, education, law, social, and community services, skilled trades and transportation, natural resources, and agriculture, business, finance, and administration. In-demand occupations include registered nurses, licensed practitioner, skills and experience. Step 2. Community recommendation. Once hired, your employer will submit your profile to TEDC during the monthly intake periods. If you meet the criteria, you'll receive a community recommendation. Step 3. Apply for permanent residency with your community recommendation in hand. Residency under the appropriate pilot stream. Keep in mind, you must live and work within the designated regional boundaries of Timmins. Check the official RCIP-FCIP boundary map for exact locations. Need help? Here's who to contact if you have questions or require assistance. Email immigration@timmins.ca, toll-free 1-877-470-TEDC-8332 for federal application guidelines and full eligibility requirements. Visit IRCC-RCIP page, TEDC Immigration page, IRCC Francophone Overview. Important reminders: some key things to keep in mind. You do not need an immigration representative to apply. Using one won't improve or reduce your chances. Some forms need to be downloaded and opened in Adobe Reader to avoid errors. Why choose Timmins? Timmins is more than a destination. It's a community. Known for its affordable housing, outdoor lifestyle, and multicultural population, Timmins offers skilled workers the chance to grow professionally while enjoying a safe and enriching environment. Whether you're a nurse, a welder, an accountant, or a miner, there's a place for you in Timmins. Your Canadian dream starts now. Explore the RCIP-FCIP programs, secure a job, and take the next step toward becoming a permanent resident in one of Ontario's most promising cities. Visit the TEDC immigration page to start your journey today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated.